Hare Krishna. The atmosphere in India is not so pleasant, although in Pune it is very pleasant. But if you go to like northern side, it is not so pleasant. Winters are very cold and summers are very hot. Why is that so? Because weather is indicating to Indians you should not work so hard materially. You should work hard spiritually. In case because there is so much hot weather, then you don't feel like working. Then what to do? Sit inside, study Srimad Bhagavatam, chant Hare Krishna. Right? But in case there is very pleasant weather outside, then people feel like working. Wow! Can you see the weather, man? Let's go out and work like donkeys, guys. So pleasant atmosphere, it inspires to work being materially more active. But Indians are expected not to be materially active. Indians are especially expected that they should be spiritually very active. And for that, they should be confined to one place. Right? There should not be a stimuli for being active materially. So that's why in India we see that that people are not progressing much. Actually, India is progressing, and real progress is that if people are happy, that's real progress. But in the West, we see that even though they are successful, externally they are successful, but every third person goes to a psychiatrist. Is that a success? Even a psychiatrist goes to a psychiatrist. Is that really a success? Like in West, when they install software, so there is one agreement, when installing software, there is agreement. Who has in India read the agreement? Never. We just click I accept and then next, install. That's it. This is what Indians do. Even though hundreds and thousands of software installed, we never read the agreement. Yeah. But typical Western guy would sit with a lawyer, read the agreement. सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करने के लिए वो अग्रीमेंट पढ़ता है वो अरे हम कहाँ पढ़े भाई कुछ ना करते हैं पीपल आर मोर बिंदास इन अमेरिका देयर आर 17,000 पुलिस स्टेशंस इन इंडिया देयर आर 15,000 पुलिस स्टेशंस and our population is 4 times that of USA. So that's why we see that people are more secure in India. Yeah, there's 17,000 police stations. So we see that even in terms of living a very bindas kind of lifestyle, India is best. In terms of sense gratification, I'm telling you, because I've been to West as well. Best place for sense gratification is India. In West, what sense gratification? A little bit of sensuality, that's it. Sensuality is available here also, there also. In terms of eating, if you see, that kind of sensuality. India, कहाँ मिलते छोले भटूरे गोलगप्पे यहीं मिलते हैं भाई. I went to one restaurant with my boss ka boss. He had thrown a party. So it was a Mexican restaurant. मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या खाऊंगा यहाँ पर यार फंस गया मैं तो यहाँ पर. तो मैंने बैरे को बुलाया मैंने कहा देख भाई मैं ये चीजें नहीं खाता अब कुछ है तेरे पास. Oh, we have only one thing for you. That's Mexican beans. Okay, Mexican beans. चल वही ले आ भाई. तो वो लेकर के आया और मेरा बॉस को बॉस बोलते हैं oh you got this Mexican beans. It has got a kick in it. मैंने कहा अच्छा पता नहीं कौन सी किक है. मैंने खाए वो क्या थे वो थे उबले हुए राजमा. और उबले हुए राजमा के लिए बोल रखे oh that has got a kick in it. मैंने कहा ये किक है इसकी दत तेरेगी क्या रूखा सूखा कुछ भी पाते हैं. Even for sense gratification, India is the best place. For bhakti, of course, is ultimate, no doubt. Even for sense gratification, India is the best. And ultimately, when people are happy, that's real success. Just by having broader roads and skyscraper buildings, that's not a hallmark of happiness. People are miserable in the West, actually. Like in the West, they work, sometimes they have got 2 jobs, one on the weekdays, one on the weekends, so that they can match up the standard of living. That's there. So that's why it is very dry place. When I was in USA, I felt so dry. And I was searching for devotees. I was new to the place. So I was searching where to go. Finally, I became so desperate that I decided that even if I get lost in America, let me get lost in America. But let me find out devotees. So the only juice in USA are devotees. The rest, entire USA, entire Europe is so dry. People told me, Prabhu, no, not Prabhu. They said, hey, you should go to, America means you should see the nightlife, New York's nightlife. I said, chalo chalte hain, New York chalte hain. What is New York in nightlife? Just flashy billboards, that's it. People are doing whatever, but it's more of a very glossy and glamorous lifestyle, but people are dry. Yeah, what's and then somebody, no, it's not New York. Go to Las Vegas, the Sin City. I go, okay, let's go to Las Vegas. So I went to Las Vegas as well. More lights here and there on the billboards, but it's all same. It's so dry. So where is juice? Even in the West, where there are devotees, there is juice. Like in China also, it's very dry life. Where there is juice, where there are devotees in China, there is juice. India also, where is juice? Where there are devotees, there is juice. Baki jagah makhi juice. So that's why that progress is so external, so hollow, so shallow. We don't want to follow that. We want to follow this. It's so nice, simple. And it is satisfying for the senses, mind, intellect, and spirit. All levels we get satisfaction by following this culture. And India is prospering. India gave 75 crore vaccines to the world. That's India. And India is the best country which has handled COVID in the best possible way. Actually, the medical system of the West was exposed during COVID. India handled it actually so nicely. Not just we took care of our own selves, we also took care of the rest of the world. Very good. And now the jobs are also coming more and more to India. Like 11,000 software jobs from Australia. Instead of going to China, they came to India. So nice. Very good. Bill Gates was asked, if you are to hire your people only from one organization, from one institute, which institute would that be? Stanford? No. Cambridge? No. Oxford? No. He said IIT. Because Indians are very good. And then his advisor from backside, he said, what makes us special? So the interviewer, he asked, what makes Indians so special? So the Indian guy said, Jugaad. And then Bill Gates said, what? What did you say? He said, nothing, sir. I said, innovation. सस्ता सुंदर और टिकाऊ solution का मिलेगा इंडिया मिलता है बाबा और क्या So east or west, India is the best. Jai Ram.